Hey guys, this is Scott from Trim That Weed, and today we're going to talk about how to clean a bathroom fan. This video will explore everything you will need and provide effective ways to clean your bathroom fan, so make sure you stick around for that. First, turn off the power. Before you start cleaning your bathroom fan, make sure to turn off the power supply to the fan to prevent electrical shocks. You can do this by using the circuit breaker or the main switch. Remove the fan cover. To remove the fan cover, first find a screwdriver and use it to remove the screws holding the cover in place. Carefully take off the cover, and if it has mounting tabs, squeeze them to release the cover. Make sure to safely store the screws. Clean the fan cover. Once you have removed the fan cover, soak it in a basin of soapy water to remove the dirt and dust. Remove the fan. Unscrew the unit holding the fan and gently remove the fan, ensuring that you have not broken any fan blades or dropped the fan. Clean the fan blades and motor. First, dust the fan blades and the motor using a dry cloth or a vacuum. After removing the dust, find a microfiber cloth and dip it in soapy water. Then, thoroughly clean the motor and each blade using the wet cloth. Make sure that the cloth is not dripping water. Clean the fan housing. The fan housing holds the fan in place, and therefore there could be an accumulation of dust and dirt on it. Use a rug or crevice tool of the vacuum cleaner to remove as much dirt as possible. Do this gently to avoid damaging the components. Dry and reinstall the fan. Before reattaching, make sure that the fan is completely clean and dry, then reattach the fan and secure it with the screws that you removed. Reinstall the fan cover and turn the power on. Completely dry the fan cover, reattach it back to the fan unit, and press it until the clips completely closed. Then go to the circuit breaker or the main switch and switch on the power supply. So there you have it. Removing dirt and dust from your fan should be very easy so that you can improve its efficiency and lifespan. Do you have any comments or questions? Make sure you drop them below and like this video. Till next time.